Question number 5. Find the LCM by the division method. Now division method means what? In that method, at a time we have to divide all these numbers. Okay. So here first we'll arrange 12, 15, 20, 27. See it. Now here 12, 15 and 27 comes in 3 stable. So I will divide. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 20 right as it is because we cannot divide 20 by 3. 3 9s are 27. Then these two numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. The numbers which we are not dividing, that keep as it is. 5 write as it is and 2 10s are 20. 9, can you divide 9 by 2? No. So that also write as it is. Now, see here. 5 and 10 are divisible by 5. So I will divide it by 5. 2 write as it is. 5 1s are, 5 2s are and 9 as it is. Okay. Now, see here, 2 is here also, so divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1s are and is 9. Now 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are. See, all are prime numbers now. See here. Okay. Now therefore LCM of 12, 15, 20, 27 is equal to what we have to do? We have to multiply all these numbers. 3 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. Got it? We have to, what did I do? Whatever numbers are divisible by any one number, that I go on dividing. And here see, these 12, 15, 27 are divisible by 3. But 20 was not divisible. So, which are not divisible, that keep as it is. Okay? Take it down as it is. Then again find 20. They are divisible by 2. So divide them. And other which are not divisible, you can write as it is. So do 3 2s are 6. Then 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 63s are 180. 183s are 540. So LCM of this is 540. This method, in this we don't have to find out any common, uncommon, directly we get. Okay, by doing multiplication of these numbers. Which numbers we have to multiply? This side, whatever prime numbers we have taken, and this remaining. Followed? And we have to multiply them. Next, here also now 5 numbers are there at a time. Okay, so at a time we have to divide 5 numbers. See, here 2, 4, 8, 8 means only except 135, all these 4 other numbers are divisible by 2. So we will divide them. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then 135 we cannot divide. So write as it is 135. Then divide this. 2 9s are 18. 9 are 18. Now see, 11 and 99 are divisible by 11. So 11 1s are 11. 27 other numbers write as it is because we can't divide them by 11. So 11 1s are 11 and 11 9s are Next, this 27, 54 and 9 are divisible by 3. So divided by 3. 1 write as it is. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 130. 135 also divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. All these numbers are divisible by 3. You are knowing the test for divisibility of 3. What we have to do? We have to add 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 1 9 and 9. Means 9 everywhere. That means 9 is divisible by 3. So divide all the numbers by 3. Now again if you will look at the number, they are divisible by 3. 1 write as it is. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. Then 3 15s are 45 and 3 1s are. Again see, remaining numbers are divisible by 3. Divide them. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 1. Now further can we divide 2 and 5 by any particular number? No. That means here we got all the prime numbers. So means now one is neither prime nor composite, but leaving one, all other are the prime number. So directly we have to do multiplication. LCM of 22, 54, 108, 135 and 198 is equal to what we have to do? Multiplication. 2 into 11 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, then here 2 into 5, into 2 into 5. Okay. Now see, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 3s are 90, 93 3s are 90 3s are 270. Okay. Up to here we got answer 270. Correct? See here 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 3s are 90, 90 3s are 270 and remaining 11 2s are 22. So multiply 200, 2 7s are 14, 1 5. Again give it multiplying by 2 only. So same numbers we will give. No need to multiply. 5 plus 4 9. So the answer is 5940, 5940. This is the LCM of remaining 5 given 5 numbers. Okay, followed? How to find out? First of all, whatever numbers are common, divisible by one number, with that you will have to divide, and the number which is not divisible we have to write as it is. Okay. Question number 5, in that third one, we have to find out LCM of 9, 15, 16, 35 and 36. So here if you will observe carefully, 9, 15 and 36 are divisible by 3. So I will divide it by 3. Now see, this number I have written it here. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 16 write as it is. 3, this 35 also as it is, and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again, I will divide them by 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 16 as it is, 35 as it is, and 3 4s are 12. Then 16 and 4 and 5 and 35 divisible by 5. 16 and 4 are divisible by 2. So I will first divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 16 write as it is, 5 7s are, and 4 write as it is. Now 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. 7 I have written as it is. Now again by 2. 1 1, 2 4s are 8, 7, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Another like as it is. Now next step is to multiply these numbers. Therefore, LCM of 9, 15 35 and 36 is equal to, multiply 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into this 2 into 7. Okay. Now do find out the answer. See here, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180. Okay. Up to here, if you will multiply, you will get the answer 180. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Okay. So multiply. Or we can, okay, 8 0 0. 8 8 is 64, 4 carry 6, 8 1 is 8 plus 6, 14. Then compulsory 0, 2 0 0, 2 8 is 16, carry 1 3. Add 0 4, 3 plus 1 4 plus 5. That is 5040. Answer is 5040. So LCM of this number is 5040. Okay. Question number 6. The HCF of two numbers is 11 and if their product is 7623, find their LCM. Now students, we have learned the relationship between the numbers and their HCF and LCM. What is that? That is, the relationship is here. First number, whatever number is there, into second number is equal to HCF into their HCF and LCM. Okay. Now see, their product, the HCF of two number is 11. That is, fill the value of HCF below HCF. What is the value of HCF? 11. Into LCM we want to find out. Now, the product of two numbers, directly it is given. They have not given separately this first number, second number. No, directly their product multiplication is given. How much? 7623. And we want to find out LCM. So how to find out? Therefore, now this 11 is here for multiplication. We will shift it. LCM will remain there only. And we will shift 11 this side. While shifting, what happens? Sign changes. 11 is here for multiplication. It will undergo for division after changing the sign. So, okay, here we have to divide by 11. Now divide 7623 by 11. 11 6 are 66. Take these two down. 11 9s are 99. Okay. And this 3 take down. 11 3s are. So, what answer you got? 693. So, how to write the answer? What did they ask? Find their LCM. Therefore, answer their LCM is 693. In this way we can write. What we have to use here? We have to use the relationship between HCF and LCM. Now, what is that relation? First number into second number is equal to their HCF into product of their HCF into LCM. Now, HCF is given 11. LCM we have to find out. And directly their product of two numbers is given. So that values we have to put, and so product is given this is equal to HCF 11 into LCM. Now 11 I have shifted here. It undergo for division and do actual division. So we got the answer 693, and that is the LCM. Okay, that is the answer. Next question is again based on the same, that is relationship between two numbers with their HCF and LCM. See here the HCF of 226 and 339. These two numbers are there. Their HCF is 113 and find their LCM. So again we have to write that formula. What? First number into second number is equal to their HCF into LCM. Okay. Now first number is 226 into 339 is equal to HCF is given 113 into LCM. Okay. Now therefore 226 into 339, you have to divide this number by 113 and LCM will remain there. See, this 113 is for multiplication. After changing side it undergo for division. Okay. So now let us see whether you can divide this one. See, 113 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. That is 113, 2s are 226. Division. Correct? If you divide 226 by 113, you will get answer 2. So, therefore, 2 into 339 is equal to LCM. Now, 2 multiplication. Therefore, 2 9s are 18. Carry 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 3s are 6. So therefore LCM is 678. This is the answer. Okay. In this way. Only you will have to do this calculation carefully. Next, question number 8. This is from NCERT examiner. Find LCM of 80, 96, 125 and 160. Okay. Again, division method is short also and easy also. At the time we can do 80, 96, 125, 160. Except 96, all other three numbers are divisible by 5. So divide them. Okay, 5 is the 5, 5 6 the 30. That is 16, 5 is 18, 96 write as it is. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are, and then again 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are. If you will look at the numbers 16, 96 and 32 are divisible by which number? 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 25 write as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are. Again divide these three numbers by 1, 2, 3. These numbers by 2. Because look at their units places. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 25, 2 8s are 16. Okay, now again divide this number by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, means 20 are 24, then 25 and 2 4s are. It's lengthy but not difficult. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 25 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Okay, again 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 25 and 2 1s are. Now 25 only remains, so divided by 5. What answer will get? 5. Now see, everywhere prime numbers are there. So therefore LCM of 80, 96, 125 and 60 is equal to, multiply 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now we'll do multiplication. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40, 40 twos are 80, 80 twos are 160. Okay. Up to here we do 160. Then now what is remaining? This 5 threes are 15 and 15 fives are 75. So multiply now. 5 0 0, 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8, 0. Then 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11. So the answer is 12,000. Their LCM is 12,000.